Welcome. Today I'm with HUAWEI Sound Joy, and I will show you how we can change the equalizer settings. So at first we have to open the AI Live application, select our device. When you are connected, right here you can find sound effects and also bass boost. So we get 3 presets: hi-fi, vocal, and this mode. You can also adjust the bass mode. You can reset. And that's how you can change the sound of the speaker, improve. In some cases, it depends of your own preferences of the sound. But yeah, here you can find some kind of the equalizer, the 3 presets and the bass boost. Unfortunately, we cannot customize them. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.